I just got this package. I haven't even opened it because I wanted to do that with y'all. Before I get into it, if this is your first time here, I'm Faren. I do natural hair, skincare, and lifestyle type videos. So if you enjoy that type of content, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell and you won't miss anything else. So listen, I gotta use my keys to open this because I don't even know where my box cutter is and I don't have time to be playing around. Let's get this unboxing done. Oh, they're getting fancy. Oh, let me tell you. So I pre-ordered 2 bags from Blackwood's spring collection. If you are familiar with Blackwood, it is a black on luxury brand, which I know some people say luxury, but it's plastic. But everybody's using vegan leather these days. So let us have our black on luxury, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, I went ahead and picked up 2 bags. I already have 2, which you've probably seen them, but I was super excited about one of these. Like, I'm not buying anything else after this. All right, so I don't know which one this is, so we are going to unbox it together. Cute little box. Blackwood. He usually has a cute little like handwritten note. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new juice and can't wait to see how you style it. Y'all know, cursive. But yeah, that's super cute. Leave that in there. We are really upgrading, y'all. I think this is the one that I wanted so bad. But anyways, comes in this cute little duster bag. It's like one of those Chinese dolls where you just keep like taking stuff off. Yes, this is the one that oh my god. Okay, so you guys, look at her. Oh, I am so excited about this bag, y'all. Like, I love leopard print. I love a good print. I really and truly do. So this is the Kendrick trunk, obviously in leopard. I went with the gold details because I'm more of a gold type girl, and I just feel like leopard and gold with the red lip, come on somebody, y'all. And the material is pony hair. I don't think I said that yet. Oh, but look at the details. Oh my goodness. I just like that this is like different. Oh. Okay, I'll take that off later. So let's open it up. Do I know how to open it? There we go. So this is as far as that opens up, but it's quite spacious on the inside, honestly. It's way bigger than the mini bags that I usually carry. And it comes with a strap so you can wear it cross-body or just carry it in your hand. Y'all, and it has like velvet. It's velvet lined. And then it says Blackwood embossed in the back. I don't think you can see that. I might have to give you a close-up later, but I am absolutely obsessed with this bag. So this Kendrick trunk retails for $185, and I just really feel like this is a bag that I will have in my collection forever because, one, like, I'm a leopard fanatic. It is pony hair. Like, this will never go out of style. This will forever be like a statement piece. I can pull this out years from now and like still carry it. I am I gotta stop saying it, super excited, but I am in love with this, and it is even better in person than it was online. Let's get on to the next one that I purchased. All right, so for the second bag, same deal. Cute little white box. Same cute little letter. For some reason, I thought this bag was gonna be a little bit larger, but y'all know I'm not good with reading dimensions and stuff, but it is what it is. Right inside the duster. Oh, but it's so adorable. Look at this. I just felt like this was just a cute little everyday black bag. Oh, one thing that I didn't mention. Okay, I'm jumping around, but so this is the Arlen bag, and I got this with silver. I don't think there was an option to get gold, so silver's fine. I mean, it is what it is. I'm still gonna wear it regardless of what type of jewelry I have on. I'm going to carry this like every day. Like I said, vegan leather. What I really love about Brandon Blackwood bags though is like they have the feet. You know, like a lot of these bags, like I used to work for Fossil, and those bags were real leather, and back in the day when I worked there, they always had like feet. So when you set them on surfaces, like your actual bag wasn't touching like the table or anything. And like this little detail is something that I appreciate so much, because like, I don't know, it just kind of elevates it. I'm not gonna take all this plastic off because I am in a hurry, like I said. Extra strap, so you can definitely carry a crossbody. I don't really see, oh, that you can latch right here and right here. And you know, like there was a time in my life where I used to carry everything except the kitchen sink in my purse, and so like nowadays I just need a few things and then I'm out the door. So this is what the inside looks like. Nothing crazy, but I can fit everything that I need in there. And yes, did I tell you the name of this one yet? It's the Arlen bag, and this one retailed for $195. Same deal, you know, it's vegan leather, but it's a classic bag, classic shape that I will be able to carry for years and not really get sick of it. So yeah, I think I'm actually about to take this one with me this weekend to get the holiday weekend started. But yes, that is all that I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing video. I told you I wanted to change my content up a little bit. If you haven't heard of Brandon Blackwood, go check him out. I will have his website and Instagram page linked in the description box down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like, I appreciate each and every one of you, and as always, I will see you in the next one.